Hi, my name is Sarah Bell, and I am doing a presentation on divergent plate boundaries. The Earth is divided by plates. Between these plates are three types of boundaries: divergent, convergent, and transform. What are they? Divergent plate boundaries, otherwise known as spreading boundaries, happen where new oceanic crust is created from magma derived from partial melting of the mantle caused by decompression as hot mantle rock from depth is moved towards the surface. This is a diagram of divergent plate boundaries. And as you can see, the two arrows that are on the bottom is the circulation of hot mantle rock. And this arrow right here is the hot mantle rock moving upwards towards the zone of partial melting, which is right here. And then these two arrows right here shows the movement of the divergent plate boundaries. They are moving away from each other, which is different from the other two boundaries. You can distinguish the divergent plate boundaries because they move away from each other, unlike convergent boundaries, which move towards each other, and transform, which move in opposite directions next to each other. There are two types. When two tectonic plates move away from each other, two types of divergent boundaries can occur. Number one, continental rift zones, and number two, mid-ocean ridges. Continental rift zones. If the plate is capped with thick continental crust, the resulting continental rift zone rises high above sea level. An example would be the East African Rift. Mid-ocean ridges. A mid-ocean ridge is a seafloor system formed by plate tectonics. It is a continuous chain of volcanoes on the ocean floor where lava erupts and the crust of the earth is created. Nearly every day, somewhere on the crest of the mid-ocean ridge, there is a likely to be an eruption of lava or an intrusion of magma that builds the ocean crust. Thank you for listening. A reminder is that the divergent plate boundaries are the ones that move away from each other, and that's pretty much the easiest way to recognize them.